So we are in the process of fitting the tubes together. These tubes were made, but they weren't, it's hard to roll them so that they're perfectly round. So sometimes they're have a little bit of an oval shape on them. So right now we're forcing them into to line up with each other. So we have these pieces we've added on, these little pieces that allow us to do the fine tuning adjustments on them. You can see that they're, with the wrench here, they're just forcing it in slowly. I'm going to get out of the way here for the soldering, or the welding. So what we're doing is we're slowly, section by section, forcing it into place, then putting a little bit of a solder or a little bit of a weld on it just to tack it into place. And then we do the next section and we fit it, like we use the wrench, and there's a bolt there that forces the one tube to conform to the shape. So we're forcing it in a little bit, and we do that bit by bit by bit all the way around until it's perfectly round. Here you can see at the very bottom here that it's out just a little bit. It's not totally in line. And before we started here, it was quite a ways out, because one tube was maybe more round and one tube was a little bit oval shaped. So this is how we fix it. So after those temporary pieces are removed, we have these little things that we'll have to fix. So we just grind them down, and then there's a protective coating put on this afterwards. But we need to basically go all the way around, like here, all the way around. These were where we had these bolts on, going all the way, I guess not from here, started around. There's one here, and here, going all the way around, and that just forces it slowly into shape. So after the process is done, it would look something like this. You can see that one of those old braces that was put on here was here, and it would have had the bolt over here, and that forced this into shape. And then we did a nice weld all the way around, and then put protective coating on top. So you can see where these old braces were welded on, just a temporary weld. And you can see right here where the bolt actually went right into the tube here. So that was a pretty strong, quite a bit of work that needed to be done to force this tube into place. So that's how we make the tubes fit together, even though they are slightly different shapes.